come here. So first thing you want to do, start the car. Then push this button. And then, I don't know, you see this button, the roof button?
Should I? So you just eye it?
Yeah, right about there. Turn the car off.
Okay.
Okay. Then over here, there's, okay, so there's, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a clip right here. You have to pull that off. So let's see. So I pulled that off. Here, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that
You
stays in
off.
there.
Okay.
Then, hold on, I'll show you on the other side. I should probably pull
Oh,
the key.
okay, I see the.
Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, so that. See if I can get in.
How do you pull it off? Do
You
you
just pull.
twist it? Okay, just pull. Okay.
Then, right here, see this?
Mm-hmm.
You pull that down, and then there's another one on the other side.
Pull that down.
Yeah, and then this gives way, okay? And then this folds forward, okay? And then there you go. Then over here, there, you can get in, you can see these, twist these. You got them on both sides, okay? And then this is out. Then these here, you just twist them. You see that? Twist. Oh, nope, one more. Down there. Okay, and then, yeah.
Hold up.
Okay, and grab that. Cool. There's your engine. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, think about subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep you up to date on all my future videos. Leave a comment about what you liked or what you didn't like. Thanks again for watching.